Okay, so I'm back with the same two cloths that I just used to do that butter demo. I'm going to show you the amazing chicken demo that hands down sold me in these products. So really quickly though, I want to show you that the Envirocloth comes in different colors. They have seasonal ones, they have flash sales, that they have really great colors that come out differently once in a while during different seasons. Also, they have the little mini ones, and these are also in different colors, and you can take them with you anywhere you go. In fact, I have my little package here that I take with me all the time. They've replaced my wipes and they're amazing. I've used them for many, many things. The last little specialty thing with the Envirocloth is this scrubby corner cloths. So for an extra $1, if you like to have a little edge where you can get in corners and scrub, that's what this one is. It's pretty much the exact same thing as the Envirocloth, just with a little scrubby corner. Okay, so I'm going to move these out of the way, and I'm going to show you how the amazing backlock silver in the cloths will not allow cross-contamination on a surface, and it begins working with self-sanitizing the cloth, and it picks the chicken right up and leaves no bacteria there on the surface. So this is some raw chicken. I'm just going to put it on my counter here. Use my bag to smudge it around. There you go. You can see all that gooey stuff being left on the counter. Yuck, huh? It's pretty gross. Trying to get some good juice there. I'm going to go ahead and take the Envirocloth that I just used on the butter, and I'm going to go across. Now you want to have it flat like that, not scrunched up. Picks it up very easily, and when it's wet, that silver goes to work. So I'm just going to go right over that area of chicken, and I'm going to continue to go around the whole counter with that same side, just to show you that with this micro silver in there, it will not allow cross-contamination. And it's pulling that into the cloth and already starting to sanitize. So here's our cloth that just picked up that chicken. I'm taking a tester from Pro Hygiene. It's a store that sells these testers that allows for you to swab areas and see if there's protein on a surface, which cultivates that bacteria. So as you can see on here, there are different levels. Green means clean, that's what we want it to be. Purple, we don't want purple because that's high bacteria on the counter. So I'm just going to swab over the area that I just did along with the rest of the counter, and then I'm going to do inside the cloth as well, and we're going to test this out. So as I break that liquid, it has a little chemical reaction in there. You can see that that is green. Let me show you against a little white surface. Isn't that incredible? Clearly that it works, and that's what's so great about these products, is that they actually work. I want to show you, just so you know I'm not trying to pull a fast one. If I touch this chicken with the swab, you can tell, oh, sticking in there. It immediately starts to turn purple even on the swab there. So I'm going to shake that up, and you can see that that is going purple right away. Lots of bacteria, but there is none on my counter, which is amazing. So just the Envirocloth did that. Okay, so that just keeps getting more purple, but you may wonder, what do you do when you're done? I would probably launder this if I actually wiped up raw chicken, but really you can just take your cloth under hot water, take a little bit of the dish soap from Norwex, it's all natural, and you put it on there a little bit, scrub it underneath the hot water, wring it out, and hang that up, and you are good to go. It'll self-sanitize within the next 24 hours.